Execution phase. The execution phase is the stage where the actual development and creation of project deliverables begin. Once the planning phase is completed, the project team begins to implement the project plan to deliver the expected products and outcomes of the project. In an end-to-end fiber optic installation project, the execution phase typically involves the installation of network support infrastructure and fiber cables, splicing, and testing so that the network is ready for service upon handover of the project deliverables. The project manager must ensure that the execution phase follows the project plan and the project's requirements, and if changes are needed, they should be adequately documented and approved before implementation. During the execution phase, the project manager must manage the project team's performance, ensuring that the work is completed within the specified budget and schedule while maintaining quality standards. Project progress must be monitored and reported regularly, and issues and risks addressed in a timely manner. Effective communication between the project team, stakeholders, and customers is critical to ensure that everyone is informed of the project's progress and any changes to the project plan. In a fiber optic installation project, the execution phase typically involves working with different teams and contractors, such as construction crews, installation teams, as well as splicing and testing teams. The project manager must coordinate the work of these teams to facilitate effective collaboration to support project goals. The execution phase is considered by many the most critical stage of the project, and the project manager must ensure that everything is done correctly to achieve the project's goals and objectives. Any issues or delays must be addressed promptly, and changes to the project plan must be adequately documented and approved before implementation. Effective project management during the execution phase can make the difference between success and project failure. Monitoring and controlling. The monitoring and controlling phase is another critical part in the project lifecycle. During the project planning phase, systems and tools like project management software should be selected for facilitating regular checks and controls. These could include daily logs, detailed photographic records of completed work, field inspections, fusion splicer records, link test results, safety planning logs, and incident records accordingly to identify and correct performance issues as needed during the network's implementation. It cannot be stressed enough that postponing system testing until the end of fiber optic installation, termination, or splicing is a grave mistake. It is imperative to detect and correct potential issues early on to avoid corrective rework, cost overruns, or schedule delays. This highlights the importance of testing at every stage during the implementation of the project. To use a specific example, fibers should be tested after reception of fiber reels to rule out shipping damage, during installation and splicing to ensure that the methods and processes are working as intended, and after completion of the project for quality and system performance validation as well as acceptance of deliverables. It is highly recommended to leverage software to ensure that technicians can share progress information frequently, efficiently, and effectively. This will help facilitate information sharing and progress monitoring, which are essential for successful management of projects. Effective monitoring and controlling can help prevent project failures and ensure that project budgets and schedules stay on track and to the desired quality standards.